Welcome to today's video on how to maintain hydraulic jacks for longevity. If you rely on hydraulic jacks for lifting and heavy-duty tasks, proper care is essential to keep them working efficiently and safely for years. In this video, we'll walk you through practical tips and maintenance steps to extend the life of your hydraulic jack and ensure it performs at its best. Proper maintenance not only extends the lifespan of a hydraulic jack but also ensures safe and reliable performance every time it is used. A well-maintained jack reduces downtime, prevents accidents, and saves on costly replacements. Below are essential care practices. Regular cleaning. After each use, wipe down the jack to remove oil, grease, dust, and debris. Dirt buildup can enter moving parts, causing wear or jamming. Keeping the jack clean also makes it easier to spot leaks or cracks early. Lubrication of moving parts. Hydraulic jacks have several pivot points and moving components that benefit from lubrication. Applying a light machine oil or grease to the wheels, hinges, and handle joints ensures smooth operation and prevents premature wear. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.